Welcome to Tungal second PU online classes. Continuation of the yesterday class. In the yesterday class we discussed the force between the multiple charges and what is electric field. What is the electric field due to isolated point charge? That is discussed in the yesterday class. Today I am going to be discuss electric field lines or electric lines of force. Here what is mean by the electric field lines or electric lines of force? These are the imaginary lines. Electric field lines or electric lines of force. This is called as the two names. These are the imaginary lines. Means these are really exist in the electric field. These are not really exist in the electric field. To represent the electric field, we are drawing some imaginary lines or imaginary curves. That imaginary lines or imaginary curves is called as a electric field lines or electric lines of force. Right? How to draw these imaginary lines? Here we can draw the line along the path along the unit positive charge. The path along the unit positive charge moves in the electric field. Suppose in the electric field, in which path the unit positive charge will be moves. Along this path we are drawing the lines or curves. That is called as what is here electric field lines or electric lines of force. Here what is the definition of the electric field lines or electric lines of force? The path along which unit positive charge moves in electric field is called as what is here electric field lines or electric lines of force. This is a definition of the electric field lines or electric lines of force. Now, what are the properties of the electric field lines or electric lines of force? First we can study the property, or before studying the property, first how to draw the electric field lines, we can study that one. Here first we are drawing pictorial representation of electric field lines. Pictorial representation of electric field lines. What is the pictorial representation of the electric field lines? See there, first we are drawing due to positive point charge. Due to positive point charge, we are drawing the electric field lines. First I am drawing here. See there, here I am taken as a positive point charge. Now due to the positive point charge, we are drawing the electric field lines. How to draw here? Here see there, this is a positive charge I am taken here. Due to positive charge, how to draw here? See there, here positive charge. Suppose another here positive charge we are placing here. This is a positive test charge. Positive what is here? Repel each other. That's the reason electric field lines are coming due to positive charge is away from the charge. Why away from the charge means, suppose we are placing the test charge, that test charge is what is here? Repel with this plus charge here. Due to plus charge or due to positive point charge. That's the reason they are repel each other. Repel each other means the force is away from the charges. That's the reason we are drawing here. This is a electric field lines are away from the plus Q charge. Why plus Q charge? Why they are away from the plus Q charge here? Because of, suppose unit positive test charge we are placing here, they are what is here, repel with each other. That's the reason here what is their electric field lines due to positive point charge is away from the charge. They are what is here, divergence from the charge, means away from the charge. Here it is going away from the positive charge. This is here electric field lines due to positive point charge, or this is called as a pictorial representation of electric field lines due to positive point charge. Next here, next I am drawing here, this is due to, I am drawing here second one, due to negative point charge, due to negative point charge, due to negative point charge. Here suppose I am placing the negative point charge here. Suppose I am placing the positive test charge here, positive test charge, these two charges are attract each other, because positive negative attract each other. That's the reason electric field lines are here, that's the reason the electric field lines are towards the charge or converges to the charge. Right, this is due to the here negative point charge, negative point charge. This is due to the positive point charge. Now, due to here third one is due to two equal positive point charges. Due to two equal positive point charges. Due to two equal positive point charges. Here what is there, due to two equal positive point charges. See there, two positive point charges or two negative point charges also we can take. I am drawing here due to two equal positive point charges. See there, here one is the plus q charge, another one also plus q charge I am taken. Here what is there, from the plus q charge the electric field lines are away from the charge, or what is here, divergence from the charge. Here this is converges to the charge, it is divergence from the charge or diverge from the charge. Here what is here, this is away from the charge. Away from the charge means here what is here, these two here, why they are bending this electric field lines here. Why bending means here what is here, in between plus and plus repulsive force is there. That's the reason this what is here, electric field lines are here bending. See there, bending here, here also bending, here also bending. Here not bending, here getting what is here, straight line only. Why getting straight line means here repulsive power is less is there. Here gradually here repulsive power is more is there, here more bending. Here gradually repulsive power is what is here, decreasing, the bending also decreasing. Here but the electric field lines are away from the plus q charge. See there, directions. Here observe the here arrow marks here. Arrow mark represents the directions. This is away from the charge. Here away from the charge here, or diverge from the charge. But they are bending. Why bending means in between plus q and plus q there is a repulsive force is there. Here also we are going away from the charge. Here also what is here, bending. Right. Now here also bending is there, but here we are getting the straight line. Why getting the straight line means here repulsive power is what is here, less is there. This is due to two equal positive point charges. This is what is here, electric field lines are electric lines of force due to two equal positive point charges. Next another one is an electric dipole, due to an electric dipole. Similarly, here due to an electric dipole. Similarly, suppose here minus q is given due to two equal negative point charges are given. Just we can draw the same electric field lines, but directions will be changed here. Here what is here going away from the plus q charge. In that, what is here direction will be given in the opposite direction towards the charge we can give, because here from the negative charge converges, due to positive charge diverges. That's reason here what is here, suppose negative is given, what we'll do here, just we can draw the same what is there electric field lines, but change the what is there directions. Here what is there, it is going away from the charge. In the suppose negative taken here towards the charge, here positive taken means divergence from the charge, here negative taken what is here converges towards the charge. Just that one only change here, due to two equal negative point charges are given. Here due to an electric dipole, what is mean by the electric dipole we can see here, or this is another name we are called as due to positive point charge and negative point charge. Here due to what is here positive point charge and negative point charge. Means here what is the electric dipole also we will discuss here. The electric dipole means simply here one is a positive charge, another one is a negative charge. Two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges are two equal and opposite charges. Opposite means one is a plus, another one is a minus. They are separated by a small distance, 2a. Then it is called as a electric dipole. Electric dipole means two equal and opposite charges are separated by a certain distance, small distance. Small distance is taken as a 2a. Here that system is called as a electric dipole. Electric dipole means it is a combination of positive and negative charge. That is called as a electric dipole. In the positive and negative charges are separated by a certain distance. That is called as a electric dipole. Here due to an electric dipole or due to a positive charge and negative charge we have taken, combination of the positive and negative charge here. Now one is I am taken as a positive charge here, another one is taken as a negative charge. Okay, due to the positive charge, here positive and negative what is there attract with each other. That's reason here in between these two charges attraction force more is there. So electric field lines are start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge. Here we know that already from the positive charge they are going away to here at the negative charge, reaches to the towards the negative charge, here reaches to the negative charge. Means start from positive charge, end on the negative charge. Here at the positive charge diverges, at the negative charge converges. So here in between what is there electric field lines are start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge. Why means in between what is there attraction force more is there. But here see there gradually attraction force is decreases. So attraction force is decreases. That's the reason what is how coming here electric field lines are coming like this. Here gradually here plus q charge away from the charge. Here straight line because no attraction force is there. Here what is there here away from the charges, away from the plus q charge. Here also towards the charge because here also attraction force is less is there. Here attraction force is less. Here attraction force is less, but in between attraction force is more is there. Why attraction force is there? Because one is a plus q charge, another one is a minus q charge. That's the reason electric field lines are start from the positive charge, end on what is here negative charge. Means here from the positive charge they are divergence, here due to the negative charge they are converges. That's the reason they are start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge here. This is a here different type of the electric field lines due to different configurations. Configuration means different. We have taken one is a positive charge and another one is a negative charge. Two similar charges are taken here. Two here what is here one is a positive charge, another one is a negative charge. Here similar charges we have taken. Here what is here? Here one is a positive taken, another one is a negative taken. These are called as a here what is a like charges, these are the unlike charges. Due to unlike charges how to draw the electric field lines, due to like charges how to draw the electric field lines we are discussed here. Right, these are the here what is their general introduction about the what is here electric field lines or electric lines of force. Electric field lines means these are the imaginary lines or curves. It may be lines or curves. Here we can draw these lines along the, here what is here, along the unit positive charge moves in the electric field. In the which direction unit positive charge moves in the electric field, that direction we can draw the lines or curves that can give us what is their electric field lines. Due to positive charge, electric field lines is away from the charge. Due to negative charge, towards the charge. Means due to positive charge they are what is their divergence, due to negative charge they are convergence. Right, these are the, here what is here total what is here concept about the electric field lines. Right, next we will discuss the what is the properties of electric field lines or electric lines of force. Right, next properties of electric field lines or electric lines of force. Very important here. These are the properties. Here properties of electric field lines or electric lines of force. Right, first property, electric field lines are start from positive charge, end on negative charge. We already know that electric field lines start from positive charge end on negative charge. End on negative charge. Already we discussed here. One is a plus q charge taken, another one is a minus q charge taken. Here electric field lines are here start from the positive charge, end on the what is here negative charge. Here already discussed this one. Right, this is the first property. Second property, here see there the tangent drawn on an any point on the electric field lines. Here the tangent drawn on at any point on the electric field lines gives the direction of the electric field at that point, or gives the direction of electric field intensity at that point. Now suppose we are drawing suppose this is the electric field lines are there. Now suppose we can draw the here tangent here. This is a tangent. This gives the direction of the electric field intensity or direction of the electric field at that point. Right, this is a second property. The tangent drawn on any point on the electric field lines gives the direction of the electric field at that point. This is the second property. Next, two electric field lines are never intersect each other. Electric field lines are never intersect each other. Why? What is the reason? Is that suppose if they intersect, here never intersect each other. If they intersect, what happens? If they intersect at the intersection point, at the point of intersection, two directions are possible for possible for electric field intensity. Electric field intensity at that point. Here two directions are possible for electric field intensity. At the point of intersection, how many directions are possible for electric field intensity? Two directions. But it is impossible. Why it is impossible? Because electric field intensity having only one direction. It is a vector quantity. It is having only one particular direction. But suppose here I am showing here, this is the electric field lines are intersect each other. At the intersection point, here two directions are the possible for electric field. Here along this electric field line, one direction is possible. Suppose you can draw here tangent, here one direction is possible, here one direction is possible. But it is now what is here? Impossible. Here only here what is here? Electric field is contained the how many directions? Here one E I am taken, here also E. Here electric field having the how many directions? Here two directions. Two directions are possible. Here along the one electric field line, we can draw the one what is here? Direction of the electric field intensity. Another what is here? Another electric field line, we can draw the direction of the electric field intensity. Two directions are possible, but it is impossible. Only electric field lines are having the only one directions. That's the reason we are saying that two electric field lines are never intersect each other. If they intersect, what happens here? At the point of intersection, two directions are possible. Along the one field line, we can draw the one direction. Another field line, we can draw the another direction. But electric field is having the how many directions here? Only one direction. That's the reason here electric field lines are never intersect each other. If they intersect, what happen? At the point of intersection, two directions are possible for electric field, but it is impossible. Right. This is a third property, very important property. Here why electric field lines are not intersect each other. Why not intersect each other means at the point of intersection, how many directions are possible for electric field intensity? Two directions are possible, but electric field intensity having only one direction. That's the reason two electric field lines are never intersect each other. This is a third property. Now, fourth property, electric field lines do not form closed loops. Electric field lines do not form the closed loops. What is the meaning of this one? See there. Here electric field lines are start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge only. But it cannot come from negative charge to positive charge. When it is coming from negative to positive, it can form the one loop. But it cannot form the loop here. Just electric field lines are start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge only. That's the reason we are saying that electric field lines do not form closed loop. But magnetic field lines, we can next study in the here what is the moving charge, magnetism and matter chapter. Here magnetic field lines, we can study there. Here magnetic field lines are form the closed loops, but electric field lines are do not form the closed loops. This is the fourth property. Next, here fifth property, electric field lines are always normal or perpendicular, normal to the surface of conductor. Surface of conductor. Suppose this is a conductor I am taken. Here what is the electric field lines are normal, like this is there. Here this is a normal to the surface of the conductor. Suppose this is a conductor I am taken. This is a electric field lines are always normal to the, normal means perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. Here in between, here electric field lines and the surface of the conductor, how many degrees is there? 90 degrees is there. So we are saying that electric field lines are always normal to the surface of the conductor. Here next property is electric field lines are do not pass through conductor. Do not pass through conductor. Why do not pass through the conductor? Because inside the conductor always Here what is here? Inside the conductor always electric field is 0. Why 0? Because of inside the conductor there is no charges. Always charge will be resides on the surface of the conductor, or charge will be always distributed on the surface of the conductor only. Charge will be distributed only surface of the conductor. Inside the conductor there is no charge. No charge means there is no electric field. We know that electric field formula E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Here Q is 0. Q is 0 means electric field also 0. That's the reason electric field lines do not pass through the conductor. Why do not pass through the conductor, or do not pass through inside the conductor? Another way generally we are saying that because inside the conductor the charge is 0, electric field also 0. Right, this is another property. Suppose next property is there. If electric field lines are crowded, now if electric field lines are crowded, electric field lines are crowded at a point. If electric field lines are crowded at a point, here if electric field lines are crowded, suppose at the one point electric field lines are crowded, what happen here? At that point here electric field intensity is more. Electric field intensity, I am writing here. Here I am writing here, this is I am removing this one. At a point electric field lines are crowded. At that point electric field is stronger. Electric field is stronger, or intensity of electric field also stronger. If at a point electric field lines are spread out, electric field lines are spread out, at that point electric field is weaker. Right, these are the here very important properties of the what is there electric field lines or electric lines of force. Once again we will discuss here. First property is electric field lines are start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge. Next, second property, the tangent drawn on any point. The tangent drawn on any point, we can draw at any point we can draw the tangent to the electric field lines. That gives the direction of the intensity of electric field. Direction of intensity of electric field. Direction of intensity of electric field. Direction of intensity of electric field at that point. Now, third property. Here, direction of the electric field or direction of the intensity of the electric field at that point. Next, third property is two electric field lines are never intersect each other. Here, why? What is the reason is that here, if they intersect, what happens? If they intersect at that point, we can draw the two directions for the electric field. Two directions are possible for electric field. One, we can draw along the one electric field line. Another one is we can draw along the another electric field line. But electric field is having only one direction because it is a vector quantity. It is having only one direction, only one particular direction. That's the reason electric field lines are never intersect each other. If they intersect, how many directions we have to give? Two directions are give for the electric field, but it is impossible. Right, this is the third property. Here electric field lines do not form the closed loop. Why? What is the reason is that here? Because electric field lines are start from positive charge, end on the negative charge. Again it cannot come from negative to positive. When it is come from negative to positive, it can form the closed loop. But it can start from the positive charge, end on the negative charge. That's the reason we are saying that electric field lines do not form the closed loop. Next, fifth property. Electric field lines always normal to the surface of the conductor. Here, why always perpendicular to the surface of the conductor means here in the conductor the charge will be not distributed inside the conductor, charge will be distributed only on the surface of the conductor. Here inside the conductor charge is not there. That's the reason electric field lines are, when drawing to the surface of the conductor, it is always normal to the surface of the conductor or perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. Next, here what is here? Electric field lines do not pass through the conductor. Why do not pass through the conductor means inside the conductor there is no charge, there is no electric field. That's the reason they do not pass through the conductor. They are always perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. Right. Now, so at the certain point the electric field lines are crowded. What happens? At that point electric field intensity is stronger. If the electric field lines are spread out, here means what is here? They are at the here they are not crowded, they are spread out. Spread out means the electric field lines are not close to each other. Spread out means they are not close to each other. When not close to each other, at that point here electric field what is here? Electric field is a what is here? Weaker. Here when the electric field lines are crowded, at that point electric field is a stronger. Here electric field lines are what is there? Spread out. Here at that point here electric field is a weaker. These are the here main important properties of the electric field lines. Okay, thank you.